Okay, so I'm doing something a little different this time, and I'm using a pasta maker to thin out my dough before I use it. And what's really cool is you put it through here, and there's multiple settings. All right, and it gets it super thin, and you can run it through very easily, and it'll remove any of the bubbles that you would get. You see how it's nice and perfectly thin? So what that does is it makes the Sculpey easier to attach for your first layers, and you can change the thickness. Now I'm going to attach some links onto this video showing the different kinds that there are, and you can pick up the ones on Amazon easily. This is an older one we had, and we don't use it anymore, so I figured I would use it for doing my Sculpey this way. And what it does is it gives you nice thin layers. You don't have to worry about kneading it. It removes any of the bubbles that can be problematic and cause cracking when you do bake it.